everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening! Saan man sulok kayo ng mundo naroroon, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, just keep on watching! And yes guys, I'm here in my favorite place, ang kitchen. Dito sa school kasi nga, ang kitchen ko sa aking bahay ay hindi ko magamit ngayon dahil siya ay inaayos at nililinis ng aking asawang si Asikot Vlog. So for today's vlog, dito tayo magluluto ng spicy buttered shrimp dito sa aking favorite place sa school. Kasi ito namang school guys ay walking distance lang sa aking bahay, sa aming bahay ni Asikot Vlog. So, syempre, kailangan nating magluto ng ating iuulam for today's lunch. So, dito muna tayo magluluto sa kitchen ng school. Ano kaya guys, let's go. Let's start, cook, and prepare the spicy buttered shrimp. And that's it for today's vlog. At sana ay ginutom ko kayo sa spicy butter shrimp na hinanda ko for today's lunch. So, thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Brigitte's Vlog. And hit the bell button so you will be notified on my next video. Bye!